Now let's see eddy currents. Foucault discovered that when a solid mass of metal is placed in a changing magnetic field or moved in a magnetic field, causing a change in the magnetic flux linked with it, induced currents are set up throughout the volume of the metal. These currents are known as eddy currents. The direction of circulation of these currents is such as to oppose the motion of the metal or the change in magnetic flux. Lenz law. Application: the eddy currents can be usefully employed in the following cases: damping. The damping effect of eddy currents is used in some moving coil galvanometer to make them deadbeat. The coil of such galvanometers is wound on a light metal frame. When the coil and frame rotate in the field of the permanent magnet, the eddy current set up in the frame oppose the motion so that the coil returns to zero quickly. The oscillations of a moving coil ballistic galvanometer are stopped by short circuiting the coil, this being due to the induced current in the coil itself. A similar damping device is used in some instruments such as balances, ammeters and voltmeters. A copper plate is attached to the moving system of the instrument such that it moves between the poles of a permanent magnet when the system is oscillating. Second, induction furnace. In induction furnaces, the metal to be heated is placed in a rapidly changing magnetic field provided by a high frequency alternating current. The eddy current set up in the metal produce so much heat that the metal melts. The process is used in extracting the metal from ore. Induction motor. Third, induction motor. When a metallic cylinder is placed in a rotating magnetic field, eddy currents are set up in it. These currents, according to Lenz law, try to reduce the relative motion between the cylinder and the field. The cylinder therefore begins to rotate in the direction of the field. This is the principle of an induction motor. Fourth, electric brakes. When a strong stationary magnetic field is suddenly applied to a rotating drum, the eddy current set up in the drum exerts a torque which stops the motion of the drum. This principle is used in stopping electric trains. Besides these, eddy currents are employed in speedometers of automobiles, energy meters and in deep heat treatment of human body.